the morning fog. One jumped in with a great big splash. Now there are four with a splashy dash. Ribbit, ribbit, hop, hop, hop. Frogs love to jump and never stop. Ribbit, ribbit, splash and play, jumping in the pond all day. Songs in the soggy bog. One jumped in with a happy cheer. Now three frogs are sitting here. Ribbit, ribbit, hop, hop, hop. Frogs love to jump and never stop. Ribbit, ribbit, splash and play, jumping in the pond all day. Three little frogs in the sun so bright wiggled their toes with pure delight. One leaped up, then took a dive. Now the frogs are down to 5. Wait! Oops, that's not right. Let's count again in the morning light.
Round and round the sun we go, planets in a lovely row. Zoom through space, come say hi to the planets in the sky. Mercury is small and fast, zooming by, it's built to last. Venus is so very bright, glowing with a golden light. Earth is where we laugh and play, blue and green, hooray, hooray. Mars is red, a dusty place with robot friends in outer space. Jupiter is giant and fun with lots of moons, it weighs a ton. Saturn wears a ring so wide, it spins around with style and pride. Uranus rolls and looks so cool, with icy winds that like to rule. Neptune is the furthest one, so far away but full of
Wiggly octopus under the wave, 8 arms dancing in the cave. Round and round they twist and play, wiggling, giggling all the day. Down in the deep blue sea, oh me, oh my, wiggles and bubbles go swimming by. Clap your hands and come with me, let's meet friends in the deep blue sea. Splashy dolphin jumps so high, zooming up into the sky. Clicks and squeaks a happy sound, spinning, flipping all around. Big blue whale with a mighty tail sings a song through the ocean trail. Low and loud the music flows, where she swims the whole sea knows. Down in the deep blue sea, oh me, oh my, wiggles and bubbles go swimming by. Clap your hands and come with me, let's meet friends in the deep blue sea. Crabby crab with a sideways walk, snippy snappy clickety talk, hiding under rocks so low.